Hello guys, well done. It's Paul Clement again, your instructor throughout the series of this course. Just wanted to make this short video to show you guys what will be our final project for this entire series of this course. So I'm running the application right now. I named it web service, which is going to be our final project for this course. Let me just walk you through a quick overview of it. It's a web application. Is a robust one. It has an index and a home, but while looking at the index page, you will find nothing on it, extremely blank, because I am making use of what Java server faces is very good at, which is templating. So you can easily use templates. All your code goes on the template, and on the actual page you just redirect using a composition, then template. You read the template URL, and then it takes you, it just brings up the template what you have over there into your system. So I'm waiting for the application to deploy. As you can see, deploying web services. So, and then this is my resource. So we have the util, which holds the Hibernate file, and then we have the database connection. So we'll go through all of this, and then we have a resource folder, the resource folder which holds all the class controllers, both for login, both for encryption of the login password, and this is for uploading of file, uploading of any class of file, video, picture, audio. You do it right here. This is also for the uploading. This is for my season handling and cookies, and then file upload is also for uploading. So getting users input from database, like retrieving. This is for the login. This is for the login class to enable you log into the platform, because it's secured. And then I'll now move into production pool, which is going to display every area of let's just finish deploying, and then I'll just explain all of this. And then this is for the registration. You can see Java is really intense when it comes to building application. It's not that easy to just wake up like other programming language and then you just start building. It takes a lot to do. Some minor things you can easily do on PHP. And then upload controller. This person controls all the upload and download, getting input from user and all of that. And then this is for my users details. This one is quite very simple and quite very easy to implement. We'll cover all of this, so don't be scared. Tell your friends you guys can join the class, so we can keep this lecture moving and going, so we could learn all of this as we proceed. So this is for my validator. Validate every user's input that comes in through the HTML. And from the template himself, we are using Java server faces, and then majority of the validation are also done on the client system before even sending it to the server. So okay, I think it's done. So let's see how it looks like. So it's up. As you can see, localhost 8080 web services. So let's see what we got. Come up. You are delaying. Yep, good. So why it is delaying is I am debugging the entire application down here. So whatever happened on the front end, I can always see it over here on my debug. So I will just come back here. I have field services home, the search bar. Basically this is working for now, but this area is not working, and then all of this content are being gotten from the database. You can see the amount, the percentage of rating. I just had to rush this up, but I know I will later on, before the end of this course, I will redesign the UI. So you just come down here, you do your login. Let me just try let me use that, and then if okay, let me just show you guys the client validation. If I try to log in, it will tell me please this field is required. Okay, I just entered let me just enter a wrong email address, and then just enter a wrong password, and then it will tell me that email not valid. So we have a lot of validation going on this system. So let me log in with the actual login details. So at the end of this course, you will be a pro on web, mobile, and desktop application that needs to do with Java. As you can see, you can see logout. At this point, I can always upload any file to the server. You can see choose a file, but I'm not going to do that now because I have to move. So I can always pick any file. Any file I pick right now is going to upload to the server. I'm also using Ajax to control the system. So that is very quick for now. Thank you very much. So I can move into the job of the day. Thank you. Let me shut this down. So you can always share, tell your friends to enroll on the course. They are really going to achieve a lot out of this course. So okay.